So you have to have a working title because that is what your header is. So you insert header, and I don't know why they want you to put the words running head. So stupid. But you have to do it. So anyway, running head.
Sounds like an Olympic event.
It really does. And then in all caps.
It's not capitalized on the owl.
This is.
Yeah, it is. On the paper.
Owl, online writing lab.
But head. Purdue, yeah.
Running head is
Head.
lowercase.
Head.
Yeah.
Head isn't.
Oh. Sorry.
You gotta watch that now.
That's true, you do. You gotta watch it. Running head, trying. Okay.
Yeah, that
Trying to graduate. That's our title. I just made it up. Trying to graduate and page number. On your annotated bibliography. And again, you can change it. It doesn't matter. Okay. See how wonderful this is? They really take their time on this stuff. Now your name and everything is going to be on a title page for your actual paper. If you want to go ahead and make your title page for your annotated bibliography, so be it. But you don't have to. But we're so used to putting all this stuff on our paper that you may do that for your annotated bibliography if you don't want to waste paper and turn in a title page. I mean, that's sort of silly. But we are going to put it in APA format. So, this is your running header, and then where we're used to our information being on the first page, we're going to have the title, again, of your paper. Yes, dear.
Where's it centered?
Well, it's centered on your title page. Yes, centered on your title page. But I'm saying, like, for your annotated bibliography, you don't have to have a title page. That's silly. So you got your title, your name, and your university. So, trying to graduate, Elizabeth Massey, Morehead State University. And then we're going to title this assignment Annotated Bibliography.
So is that title different? Oh, like.
Well, see, they shortened their title because look how long their title is of their actual paper. You may have to do the same thing because if it won't all fit on one line of the header, you have to shorten it. That's the only reason it's two different things. It's really the same title. It's just that they took this big title and shortened it a bit. Yes, Brad?
Okay, You remember my proposal about shark finning and stuff, right?
Yes, it really bothered me, but go on. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I didn't know that fishermen did that.
Would you get it if I made my research title, "That's One Bad Hat, Harry"? Okay, guess not.
No, I don't know what that means.
It's from Jaws, and Harry was in the water with like a cap on, and it looks like a shark fin. And then he gets out, and Brody like says, "That's one bad hat, Harry."
You know, I mean, I do love your. I love it that really it does.
It's totally relevant around it that way.
It does represent your purpose. I think that you would have to cite it.
Yeah.
Cite the line. You still.
Do you know, like at the end of like TV shows and stuff, it says, "That's one bad hat, Harry," and you can see a shark fin in the water, and it's like a little advertisement type thing. It's on TV all the time.
Oh no, I didn't know that. I think you can use it, Brad.
Yeah. Okay.
Just cite it as a quotation from a movie. Okay. So, annotated bibliography. Now, yesterday I gave you a little example. It was nowhere near perfect, but I just wanted you to see what your paper will sort of look like. You're going to give this annotated bibliography parts using Roman numerals. The first part is the introduction. If there are any of your sources that you are going to use specifically for your introduction of your paper, you copy and paste those citations right here. They need no explanation, no annotation, no nothing. Just those citations in APA. All you have to do, remember, to cite sources that you find is to copy and paste from the MSU website. Now, I know that lots of you get frustrated with the Moorhead website. It's more frustrating at school because we have so many proxies and block this and block that and da-da-da-da-da. So that's why it's worse at school. When I'm at home on the free web, and I say that not because of money, but just that nothing's blocked, everything works beautifully. Don't ever change this. Keep it at all instead of clicking on articles, because then you can click some stuff later, and this works a lot better. So I'm just going to type in graduation to keep with our topic. And you will be able to get only full text articles if you click full text. And then you can even go farther if you don't want to read an ebook. However, ebooks can really be useful. And just click articles. And then you have whatever full text articles they have available about graduation. Of course, you have to sort and sift these. But you click on one, grades and graduation. And then I go to Cite, Export. And APA, and I copy and paste it. So it's quite simple. If I find that source and I like it and it works for my introduction, I just copy and paste it. I don't have to explain. And then I go on to Roman numeral 2, supporting idea 1. I state my supporting idea and then copy and paste all the sources that I think I need for my supporting idea number 1. I can always get rid of them. And I write one annotation. Roman numeral 2, supporting idea 1, I state the supporting idea. It is impossible to predict earthquakes. I know that because of these 3 sources, and then I write my annotation. I do the same thing 2 more times.